Let's make Afro Tech. First of all, let's set the tempo to 120 BPM, and I'll start with this kick from my sample pack which has a good low end. Let's add some claps. I'll add this hi-hat loop. Some closed hi-hats. Some low percussion. And a crash. If you want to get these drums, they're from my sample pack The House Maniac. It has more than 200 high-quality samples including kicks, claps, bass shots, bass loops, synths and more. Plus there are also 10 MIDI chord progressions. The pack is affordable and delivers the best sounds to make your songs great. If you can get the pack, I'll highly appreciate it and will be a huge support. The link's in the description. To give the track that Afro groove, let's add some shakers. And some snappy percussion like these. Now let's make a simple deep bass line. And I'll layer another sound to this. Then let's side chain this to the kick. And add some EQ to balance out the sound. Some saturation. And some slight compression on the low end. Since the bass feels very wide, let's quickly turn this to mono. Before adding the other elements, we need a good vocal. Now keeping the vocal in mind, let's make some fitting soft and deep piano chords. I'll add some reverb to this. And some EQ to get rid of the harsh frequencies. Then let's add some ambience pads. I'll side chain this. Take off the lows. And use Q3 to dip out the harsh frequencies like this. Now we need some ARP like Plucks. I'll just side chain this. And add some EQ. Then we need some pads for tension. Now let's loop this part for another 28 bars. And at the second half of the drop, add a simple synth melody. I'll EQ this. and add some saturation around the highs. I'll also add this exhausts to transition into the second half. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the atmospheric pads and the shakers. And after 8 bars let's add the bass, the piano, and some of the percussion. Let's add some exhausts to transition into the build-up. And let's remove the kick and add the vocals. Then I'll add the Plucks with a cutoff filter. To make the track more interesting, I'll change the bass pattern. Then I'll add this build-up fill from my sample pack. A simple riser. And this bongo sample as a fill before the drop hits. Guys, to make the drop feel bigger, I'll create a low cut on the master channel and automate it at the build-up like this. Now I'll duplicate the entire track like this, and change some elements at the second half to make variations in the track. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.